Hey everybody, welcome back. I'm Chef T. So recently I've been seeing this tortilla hack going on social media, and I've noticed they've been doing it completely wrong. I've also seen that birria has been trending. So what we're gonna do today is take both of those and make the ultimate quesadilla. So let's get started. Okay, for today's dish, we'll need some Oaxaca cheese, cilantro, onion, avocado, a tortilla, and some birria. I got this birria from the south side of Chicago at Zaragoza's, which in my professional opinion, it is the best and most authentic birria around. So the first thing I noticed that everybody has been doing wrong, they have not cooked the inside of their tortilla. Nobody likes a raw tortilla, especially me. So what we're gonna do is cut it and cook the inside first. We're gonna cook the inside of the tortilla for about 10 to 20 seconds, just to get it a little toasted. Okay, now let's get this baby layered up. First, we're going to start with the avocado, then cilantro, and onion. Then we're going to put our birria and our cheese. So we're gonna fold this guy up, and this is also where people have been doing it wrong. You want to have your meat and your cheese on the outside layers of this quesadilla so you can get that nice ooey gooey good cheese that you're going for. Now let's get this cooked. Okay, now let's get this cooked. I have some leftover birria grease in my skillet. If you don't have any, you can use oil or butter. Now we're gonna cook it on each side for about 2 to 3 minutes. So we're gonna get this cooked for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. You wanna have a lower heat so you don't burn the outside of your tortilla. Slow and low, slow and low. Look at that ooey, delicious cheese. Okay, now we're gonna baste this guy. Get a good baste on each side. And traditional birria comes with consommé for dipping. So we're gonna baste this baby with some of that delicious goodness. Ooh-wee. Look at that bad boy. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Look at that. Look at that cheese. Look at that ooey gooey goodness. Okay, now that we have our quesadilla cooked to perfection, we're going to garnish our consommé with some cilantro, onion, and a little bit of lime. And dip and enjoy. Hope you guys liked the video. Please comment, subscribe, tell a friend. Until next week, peace out.